Bad credit can feel overwhelming. Denied cards. Higher interest. Fewer options. But here's the good news, credit scores are fixable. Today, I'll show you a simple beginner plan to start fixing your credit score right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If your credit score isn't where you want it to be, this video is for you. I'll walk you through a clear, step-by-step plan to rebuild your credit the smart way. Let's start fresh. Step 1. Know where you stand. You can't fix what you don't see. Check your credit score and report first. Look for late payments, high balances, or errors. This gives you a clear starting point. Stick around, the next step gives fast results. Step 2. Never miss a payment again. Payment history matters most. One late payment can hurt your score fast. Set up auto pay for at least the minimum. Full balance is better, but on time is non-negotiable. Consistency is powerful. Step 3. Lower your credit card balances. High balances hurt your score. Aim to use less than 30% of your limit. Lower is even better. If your limit is $1,000, try to stay under $300. Paying balances down boosts your score quicker than most things. Step 4. Stop applying for new credit. Too many applications can slow your progress. Each one adds a hard check. Pause new applications while you rebuild. Let your credit stabilize and breathe. Patience pays here. Step 5. Keep old accounts open. Your credit age matters. Older accounts help your score. If a card has no annual fee, keep it open. Use it occasionally to keep it active. Time works in your favor. Step 6. Fix errors on your credit report. Mistakes happen more than people realize. Wrong late payments. Incorrect balances. Dispute errors as soon as you find them. Fixing just one mistake can raise your score. Stick around, this mindset step matters most. Bonus step. Be patient and stay consistent. Credit repair is not overnight. But small wins add up fast. Most people see improvement in 2 to 3 months. Good habits beat quick fixes every time. Fixing your credit score starts with one step, not perfection. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. What's the first step you're taking after this video? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video. Meme coins explained how people are actually making money.